Hi everyone, this is attorney Ayhan Ogmen. Today I'm in front of you to share some of the new developments in immigration. One of the news that I'm going to share with you is actually about alien registration requirement. Department of Homeland Security just announced a month ago that they're going to actually start alien registration requirements for foreigners or for immigrants that who are not U.S. citizens. Because of this, they actually announced that this requirement is going to take effect, which already took effect on April 11, 2025. Because of this, now someone who's in the US and who's not a US citizen, who's over 14 years old, and who actually have not registered before or have not fingerprinted before, now they might actually have to register with the USCIS to make sure that they actually have the alien registration requirement done, basically, and have alien registration card carry with them all the time. What I will tell that we have been getting questions from our clients and from our followers to understand, so do I need to register? Am I considered registered already? Or what should I do? And if I'm not registered, what will happen? So we're getting sort of this type of questions, and they wanted to know what they have to do, if they have to register or not. Based on this, what I'll tell that to our clients and followers, that what you need to understand is you might be already registered, which means you might be already registered that you don't have to do anything. Because of this, I would like to actually explain those who have already registered. They might not know, but then if you are falling under one of those classes, then you don't have to do anything because you already consider that registered for alien registration. And what I will tell you, the first class of people will be who already are green card holders. So if you already have a green card, that means you already registered for alien registration and you do have alien registration number, so you do not need to actually register now. The other group is aliens who actually entered into the United States under a parole permission, and because of that, they're actually considered registered, so they do not need to register right now. And aliens who actually admitted to the United States as a non-immigrants who were issued actually Form I-94 or Form I-94W. So this means you consider registered, so you do not need to register again. And aliens who actually have either non-immigrant visas or immigrant visas and who entered the US and that was their last entry do not need to register because they're already registered with the alien registration. So they do not need to do it again. Aliens actually who were put through the removal process or proceedings do not need to register because they are already registered with the alien registration. And other people, other aliens who have already actually received their employment card or sometime before, if they have ever received employment authorization card, they do not need to register again. And aliens or foreigners or immigrants who have actually applied for adjustment of status, even their application is denied, they actually register for the alien registration, so they do not need to do again. So if you actually fall one of those classes that I just mentioned, you do not need to register with the alien registration. You do not need to do that because you already registered. This leaves us with people who are not considered actually registered, who need to register. What I could tell you, most of the people who need to register right now, people who have entered the US without any admission or permission and who have not actually applied for any relief or any application and who have not put in under any removal process, actually people who need to register right now with the USCIS for their alien registration requirement to be done. Because of this, what I could tell you that most of the people will be this, but I could also mention Canadian visitors who have actually entered the United States, who entered the United States through the border entry, but who have not got any stamp or registration done on their passport. Those people actually need to register. So based on the USCIS requirement, if you are over 40 years old and if you're in the US and you are, immigrant that who have not registered before or fingerprinted before, now you have to register with the USCIS by filing the Form G325R. By doing that, you will get the registration done and you will have your fingerprint done and you will get actually a registration card which you are required to carry with you all the time. And for actually people who are actually under 14 years old, that their parents or their guardians need to help them get them registered for their alien registration requirement. I hope that this helps, this news actually, or this video helps you or followers or answer their questions. And if you do have any problem, or if you want to make a decision, what you should do about what will be the right approach for you, please reach out to us or reach out to any lawyer to make sure that you get the right legal advice to take care of your registration. Have a good day and talk to you again, Attorney Ayhan Ogmen.